Welcome! In this quick explainer, we will answer a classic telecom history question and then build an intuition for why the answer is what it is. Here is the multiple choice question. Which regulatory act created 7 regional Bell operating companies from 22 former Bell operating companies? The correct answer is choice C, the 1982 Modified Final Judgement. Let's mark that and briefly see why the others are not the one. To make this concrete, let's place these on a simple timeline. First, the 1913 Kingsbury Agreement. It was a consent agreement to ease antitrust concerns, but it did not split AT&T into 7 regional baby bells. Next, the 1956 Hushaphone decision. It allowed a small customer-owned device and opened a door to customer premises equipment competition, but it did not create the regional companies either. Now, the key milestone, the 1982 Modified Final Judgement. This settlement in the long-running antitrust case required AT&T to divest its local operating companies, reorganizing 22 BOCs into 7 RBOCs. Finally, the 1996 Telecommunications Act. It modernized competition rules, but the breakup into 7 baby bells had already occurred under the MFJ. So what did the Modified Final Judgement do? Visually, think of AT&T before 1984 as controlling the local Bell operating companies. Under the MFJ, AT&T divested those local companies. Those 22 BOCs were regrouped into 7 independent regional Bell operating companies, often called the Baby Bells. Summary. In 1974, the Department of Justice sued AT&T under antitrust law. In 1982, the case was settled as the Modified Final Judgement. AT&T agreed to divest local companies, and 22 Bell operating companies were reorganized into 7 regional Bell operating companies, the Baby Bells. Therefore, the unique act that created the 7 RBOCs from the 22 BOCs is the 1982 Modified Final Judgement.